Let's go, everyone. Today we're unboxing more Hanes X Supreme crew socks. So this is a new color, army green. And let me show you the packaging. Shows Supreme on it. Made in India. And yeah, new color. I don't know if Hanes makes this color normally, or if they just made it for Supreme, not sure, but oh, these actually feel a little more soft than the white ones, to be honest, the white Hanes ones. So it shows Supreme up here, the other side Supreme. See, these are designer now that it says Supreme on them. So some good hype B socks. Yeah, it honestly does feel softer than the white Supreme X Hanes socks. So I don't know if it's placebo because I like the army green ones more, but that's it. Hope you're all doing well. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Later.